Importing contacts into easy texting. It's important to remember that texting is a form of permission-based marketing, meaning you can only text someone after they give you permission to do so. So before importing any list, make sure you have received permission from all of the contacts on your list. Okay, let's get started. The first step is to create a spreadsheet of contacts that you want to import. If you already have a list, you can prepare it for import by rearranging the columns in the following order: phone number, first name, last name, email, and notes. You can also add up to 5 additional columns with additional information, such as a birthday. Please note, the only required field is phone number. You can also click the link in the description below to download a CSV file that is pre-formatted with columns for data import. Simply add your contact information to the spreadsheet and save. Once your spreadsheet is ready to go, save it as a CSV file. From the Easy Texting dashboard, click Contacts, and then Add Contacts, and then toggle to the Upload tab. You can now drag your contact spreadsheet into the upload box or browse for the file by clicking Select a File. Once Easy Texting has processed the upload, you will see a preview of your list and suggested headers for each column. Make sure each header matches the data in the column below. For example, if the first column contains phone numbers, the header should say phone number. If the header doesn't match, click the header drop-down and select the correct option. If you are importing a custom field, such as a hire date, you can create a new header by selecting Add Contact Field. Simply enter the new field name and field type from the pop-up window and click Create. Once your fields are mapped properly, click Continue. From here, you can add your contacts into a group for segmentation and targeting. Common groups include customers, employees, and prospects. If the group you want doesn't exist, you can click Create a New Group. The final step is to review and agree to the terms and conditions, then click Finish. Depending on the size of your list, it may take a few minutes for the import to process. When the import is completed, you will receive a notification via the Alerts icon in the top navigation bar. From here, you can view the Import Status Report and click through to view the list. Congrats! You've now uploaded your contact list to Easy Texting.